Now for the course, just open the IDE and create the new just create a new script and save it to the directory where you can navigate for the later time. Just never forget to write the extension .py. So what is string? Basically, what are the strings to deal with? The strings are anything that is under the double quote. It is a simple meaning, that is anything that is hello, that is in the string, that is string inside the double quote, and it can be in also inside the single quote. Anything that is inside the double quote or a single quote or any quote, you can literally say any quote. Just make sure that any quote you opened should be closed by the number of quote, and this is the all the way to say that these are the strings that are inside the single quote, double quote, any number of quote. So this is the way to create the string. So just see here, Tom said to me, I'll see you later. This is a broken string because as you know that double string or triple string inside the any quote will be green. Basically, if you say simple in a simple way, this will be green if you talk about the string in the IDE or a script. So Tom said to be is true, it is a string, but I'll see you later it has been not a green because it is a basically black, which means this is a broken string. This is not completely a string. So but if you go in a grammar ways, Tom said to be I'll see you later is a true, and it is a truly a sentence or truly a string. So how to fix this broken string is you can just open with a single quote and you can just close it with the single quote, and this will be the string. And if you want to print this string, just type a print and console it, save it first and console it in the cell. So Tom said to be I'll see you later has been printed. So this is the way to make the string, to fix the broken string. So if you want to print the hello world, just type a print and just in the double quote just write hello and world, and this is it. Just save it and print it to the cell. Hello world has been printed. So here I want to make a quick note of a commenting the statement. So if you comment the statement means the commenting the statement means using the hash symbol. This means the statement with a comment is not interpreted by compiler, or this is not output, or this is not interpreted means this will not be run by the compiler. This will be left alone by the compiler. So if you run this, the hello world will only be seen, but Tom said to be I'll see you later has not been printed in the next console or next cell because this has been commented. This has not been run by the compiler in the next version or next compilation. So hash symbol tells that it is a commented statement. This should not be run by the compiler at this time. So